So we're gonna use a screwdriver for removing the back of the laptop. Make sure to remove the cable connecting to the battery for safety purposes. You can see at the upper right of the battery is the RAM slot, so it has two slots. So here's a close-up the RAM slot. So there are two. The silver metals at each side holds the RAM slot in place. So we're gonna remove that. So here's a close-up the RAM that we bought. So make sure you have the right specifications. So you will hear a click when the RAM is all set. So we're gonna insert the other one also. Now that we have inserted the two RAMs that we bought, we're gonna connect again the battery cable. Then we're gonna close the back of the laptop. So for Windows user, you can use the software CPU-Z to check your computer specification and also your RAM. So for Ubuntu users, you can check if your RAM has been correctly installed using the command -m. Another one which is not defaultly installed is NeoFetch.